Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. Here we have the Peugeot Traveller. This is the Allure version on a 68 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the vehicle, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see it's got alloy wheels. We have the sliding side doors, which as you can see will open remotely off of the key. We're going to start off inside the rear cargo area of the vehicle first of all. As we approach the back of the vehicle, you can see we have reversing sensors, loads of cargo space, and that's with all 8 seats in place. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the vehicle, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls as mentioned. You can see the opposite sliding door open here. The seat configuration in the back, so we have 3 seats, followed by 3 behind that, and as you can see you have these sections above that let in a huge amount of light to the cabin area. Now that we've done a full circle of the vehicle, you can see that all of the alloy wheels and the bodywork are all in fantastic condition. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty for us to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the vehicle, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the speedometer, we have the rev counter on the right-hand side, the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauges are both in the centre at the top, beneath which we have the trip computer, which includes the total miles. They are 24,270 at the time of recording this video, of course, and then we have trip computer information displayed above that. We back out to the steering wheel. We have our stereo and phone controls available out here, and in the center is the touchscreen itself. We are on the radio audio menu at the moment, if you like. So we have DAB, AM and FM radio, USB input, iPod input, auxiliary input, and Bluetooth audio. So if you plug a device into auxiliary, obviously USB, but once you paired up your phone, you can stream your music wirelessly, as I say, by Bluetooth audio. This vehicle also has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto available as well, depending on the smart device that you have, and satellite navigation with a nice clear colour display, as you can see. If we pop the vehicle onto reverse, you can also see the full colour camera with guidelines that show you what direction the vehicle is headed in relation to the image being shown on the screen. Below that, we have dual zone climate control. You can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature, the direction the air is being distributed in. We have our rear fans just here, front fans over on this right hand side, and the direction of the air over on the left hand side just here. Once you're happy with those settings, that button turns your air conditioning on, and it's on when that light shows. Same button to turn it off again, of course, or hit auto. The car will now maintain the temperatures that you've asked for by taking full control of the fan speed and the direction of the air for you. Any manual adjustment will take auto off straight away and allow you to put it back on your own settings just here. Beneath that, we have deadlock, so you can lock the car doors from the outside. We can open the sliding near side, offside doors. We have child locks that you can turn on, hazard warning lights, 12-volt charging socket next to the USB input. This button starts and stops the vehicle. You just need to make sure that the key is inside the vehicle with you when you want to do that. And then lastly, we have the 6-speed manual gearbox. The last thing that I wanted to run through is the paperwork we hold for the vehicle. So you can see the MOT certificate there expires on the 9th of November of this year. The V5 registration document, 2 keys for the car. The V5 registration document also shows 1 private owner from new. We have the service book there, but a printed record of the service history here with services in 2019, 21, 21. Down here you can see 21, 22, 23 as well, and that's at the end of 2023. So fully documented history, the V5 registration document, 2 keys, the service book, and the MOT certificate for the car. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the vehicle for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live, bespoke video walk around of the vehicle, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.